In this video, I will show you how to remove unwanted hand shadow on a face in Photoshop. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Hey guys, Dav here from Adobe Vive YouTube channel. Now this is a tricky work to remove any kind of unwanted shadow on face. First, select your image, make a copy of it by Ctrl J. Zoom in the photo, take a pen tool and start selecting hand shadow from the face like this. After that, click on the image, make a selection, keep your selection active, go to Adjustment, Curves, hold this midpoint and drag it like this. Make maximum brightness to match this skin tone. Now there will be a harsh. To make it soft, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 8 to 10 radius is fine. See, now those hard edges are become softened. Select both layer and take a snapshot by Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus P. Put this layer in a group folder. Take Spot Healing Brush tool. Flow opacity 100% and hardness 0. Foreground color black. And gently brush on those edges to remove it. Take your time and brush on it. Healing brush or Spot Healing Brush to remove this. Take your time and brush on it. Now there will be a mismatch color with original face tone and the shadow that we removed. If I am not wrong, then it cannot be fixed 100%, but we can lighten those area by using levels. Feel free and check it. And that's it. This is before and after.